it's Marko. Today I'd like to discuss Peikko's innovative approach to promoting sustainability through circular economy principles, specifically their solution involving removable bolted connections in concrete structures. The current challenge is that the construction industry faces significant challenges including resource depletion, waste generation, and environmental degradation. Traditional construction methods often lead to structures that are difficult to dismantle and recycle, resulting in a linear economy where materials are used once and discarded. Peikko's approach is heavily influenced by circular economy principles, which prioritize resource efficiency and minimize waste. By focusing on the ability to reuse materials and maintain their value over time, Peikko aims to redefine how we think about building design and lifecycle management. Their solution involves using removable bolted connections that allow concrete structures to be easily dismantled and reused. This design not only facilitates future modifications or expansions, but also significantly reduces demolition waste. By enabling structures to be repurposed and relocated, Peikko's approach supports a more sustainable and circular construction model. For myself, with the experience with Peikko and so far, I find this topic particularly interesting because it addresses critical environmental issues while showcasing innovative engineering research and development. The potential for reducing waste and using materials makes Peikko a leader in driving positive change within the industry. Thank you for your time.